Today I'm going to teach you how to use Runkeeper if you choose to use that as your app for recording your walks and runs. You're going to download the Runkeeper app, which looks like that. You will then click on it. You will then need to create an account. I've already created an account, so I'm simply logging in. It'll take you to a screen like this. All right, it's very simple to use if you do nothing else. When you want to start an activity, you simply hit start.
Activity started.
And it will start. It tells you your time, it tells you your miles, it tells you your current pace, and it will tell you your average pace. When you are finished, you will hit stop.
Activity paused.
It will pause it. You can then decide to restart it, or you can decide to stop it. If you choose to go to the right, it will swipe and it will give you your route. It will also give you mile paces that way as well. All right, so if you're done, you hit done, hit yes, I'm done, and that will save it. If you hit cancel, it takes you back to that screen. So I hit that.
Activity completed. Workout summary.
Activities
Total time,
completed.
11 seconds. Total distance, 0 miles. Average pace, 37 minutes, 31 seconds per mile.
She does talk to you. Up here it will tell you your total. You then have a choice to say how it feels. You can then edit it to say what type of run it was, and you can choose different categories of what type of activity. You can add a picture if you want. You can write down notes. You can decide if you want people to see your map. You can have it set a workout reminder so you remember to work out the next day. And you can, if you ran with somebody, you can have it ran with somebody. Then you want to hit save. If you don't hit save, it does not save your workout, and you won't get credit for it, and you won't see what you did later. So I would hit save. Sometimes it takes a moment to work because it is. So then here's what it looks like once it is saved. All right, if you go back, down on the bottom, it has me. And if you click me, it will show you your stats for the week. It can change it for the month. It can change it for the year. You can change it so it only shows certain activities. Right now it's showing all activities. If you click activities, it will show you each day what you've done. You can have it set goals. So if you that button, you can have it set a goal. You can set your own goal. It does insights and it does workouts. Then you can actually have it help you set a training plan if you want to get serious about it. Once again, it has a feed, so you can see what your friends have done. And you can either give them likes, and you can also write comments if you want. There are challenges that you can do. If you go to settings, profile settings, you can put your information in. If you go to account settings, you can pay for a paid version or the free version. Activity settings, it will have you default whether you want it to go to running, walking, or what activity for the default. Auto pause means it stops when you stop moving. Delay countdown delay means once you push start, it will wait for like 5 seconds before it actually starts. Tracking mode means either GPS or a stopwatch mode, so it doesn't actually record your distance. Live tracking means if you have your phone on you, it will automatically start recording a walking if you've walked for like 10 minutes without stopping. But that's, sorry, pocket trackers, when you start, it starts recording if you've been walking. Auto stats, voice cue means they'll talk to you, and they can talk to you only on demand for time, for distance. It's supposed to be on demand. They'll only tell you certain stats. Display, do you want it to be displayed in miles or do you want it to be displayed in kilometers? And what do you want them to display? Normally pace, because most of us don't understand miles per hour. So this is where you get those. If you have a Apple Health or if you have an Apple Watch, you can connect it, as well as if you have Fitbit. So that's kind of nice with that. All right, so that is what the Runkeeper app looks like. If you have any questions, let me know.